How to design a funnel footer in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to create a footer in HighLevel. Question two, how to make the footer a global section in HighLevel. And finally, three, how to add the footer global section to a funnel in HighLevel. So let's hop out of here into my demo sub account. You may end up on the Launchpad or dashboard when you're in your sub account. What I want you to do is navigate to sites. And then what you're going to want to do is start from scratch with a new funnel, likely, and just call this footer section or something along those lines, so you can just create something very quickly that you can find later if you need it. Then what we're going to do is create a new step from scratch, and we're going to call it footer. That's it, real simple, footer. And then we're going to create that funnel step. Then we're going to create from blank. And then the first thing we're going to do inside this editor is we're going to select our section width. So likely we'll want to do full width. And then we're probably going to do like a 1-column row. And then we're going to add some elements. So one of those elements we're probably going to add is a paragraph. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make this very small, like it already is. So it's already 14 pixels. We might make it 12. But we're probably going to do like copyright. And then we'd probably put the year. So there's a shortcut code for that. It's the squiggly bracket, right underscore now dot year. And then we can put a period there if we want. And we can give it the name, or we can put just a blank space, and then we could use location name variable. That's going to put the name of the sub account in here, and then period, and then all rights reserved. That's pretty typical in a footer. And we might have that below our menu. We might have like a little mini menu above this that usually I'll just do in text as well. So this would be like, I would do something like terms and conditions, and then I'd put a couple spaces in the bar, and then I'd put privacy policy, at least these two, privacy policy and terms and conditions. Probably add a few more, and then I'd hyperlink them, of course. So this would be your domain name.com/privacy policy, perhaps. And then I would also set it to new window, include no follow, hyperlink, that's fine. Terms and conditions, I'll do the same. Paste it, change it from privacy policy to terms, conditions, or whatever the slug or URL will be, right? And then, I might have some more copy below this for disclaimers, disclosures, depending on what I'm putting on this page, but this gets you far enough along. And if you're happy with it being white and all, that's fine. Then we have to save here for a section, right? So we can save this whole page real quick, and we can save this section, and we can give it a name like footer, and then we can put it as a global section, and then save that. And now it's purple. So anytime I change it here, it'll globally change wherever I put it, right? So we'll just leave this alone for now. We'll go back to one of the other funnels. So we'll go back out. And let's say we wanted to put it into this form 01, for instance. So we'll just open up the form 0 page, and then we want to add a footer to the bottom of this page. So we would go down to this section, hit the plus button, and then we go to global sections. And if you don't see it there yet, it's because it hasn't totally saved over there, usually. Let me reload the whole application. Sometimes you have to do this. You have to literally reload the page or the application. I know this happens often where it doesn't show up, so we'll see. Global section. Okay, so we're not showing up in either one section, section, templates, or global sections. We also have pre-built sections. So there's a pre-built footer that you can utilize, any of these as well. I like creating my own, but this is brand new. They've added these pre-built sections that you can utilize, and they have a footer version there. Just wanted to let you know that. Okay, so I was either wrong or they've changed it, but what you have to do here is when you save it, You have to give it a name, and then you have to make it a template instead of global section. I thought global section was the one I've always used, but perhaps it's been the template. So if I come back over here and I want to add it, I click the plus button. If I go to section templates, there it is. I created it. I can just drag it in and drop it, and there it is. Now, I can change this without affecting the original. So that's nice. So I can just modify it any way I want for this particular page if I want to. All right, so it's global section is for just one funnel or internally to that funnel, and template is lets you have access to it outside of one funnel but across the account, so to speak. All right, hope that makes sense. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video as always. And if you have any further questions regarding this, please let me know. Just leave me a comment with your question below this video. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the 297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.